Welcome back to Talk to Doc. It's now time for Dr. Valero to answer questions from our audience.
Okay.
So, there.
Hi, Doc. Ang question ko ay, yung mga cross-eyed ba nako-correct pa yun? Or if nako-correct siya, ano yung process?
Well, yeah, depends on the cause of yung pagiging duling or banlag, no? But generally, cross-eyed, yung pagiging banlag or duling can be fixed with surgery, yung permanent na banlag or permanent na duling. But there are a lot of times kasi na yung pagiging duling or pagiging banlag is because of mali ang grado or hindi nabibigay yung tamang grado. And they get what we call lazy eye, no? So, sometimes just putting the correct refraction, especially in children, no, can fix the duling or the banlag. But pag naging permanent na siya, kailangan na siyang operahan.
Doc, follow-up question lang. Pero hindi ibig sabihin yung nagduduling-dulingan kapag
Dalawa.
nahipan ka ng hangin.
Hindi totoo yun. Hindi totoo yun. Hindi totoo yun. Ano ba sinasabi mo sa anak mo? Hindi totoo yun.
Okay. Meron tayong email question from Rowena Galang. My vision is 20/20 but sometimes I can't read fine print. Why is that so?
Well, sometimes the notation na 20/20 is usually for distance. So, if you're more than 40, even if your vision is 20/20 for distance, you might need reading glasses.
Pag
Yung mga
gumaganyan-ganyan
humahaba
ka
na
na.
yung kamay or lumalayo na yung
Mga
cellphone.
in denial yan,
In
no?
denial. So, pag ganon, kailangan na siguro ng reading glasses.
Ayun. Magpakatotoo tayo. O,
Ano,
Doc,
nababasa
ano
ko pa.
hinuhugot mo dyan? Salamin? Okay, next question.
Next
Yes?
question.
Sino magtatanong? Yes, sir.
Tatanong ko sana kay Doc, pwede pa bang ma-reverse yung diabetic retinopathy?
Well, diabetic retinopathy for the most part hindi nare-reverse, no? Ang nangyayari, nasa-stabilize natin siya. So kaya nga yun sabi natin, importante na makita natin na maaga para habang maaga pa yung stage, very mild pa, ma-stop na natin at that point, no? Kasi pag medyo late na siya, minsan irreversible na rin siya.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. Next question, another email sender, si Romel Santos. I'm diabetic and how do I take care of my eyes?
Well, primarily, the most important thing is to control your blood sugar. Make sure that the diabetes is under control. Kahit gaano kagaling yung ophthalmologist mo, kahit gaano kakasipag magpatingin sa mata, if your blood sugar is not controlled, also your blood pressure, that can lead to, more severe problems. Another thing is, you need to have regular eye checkups. You need to be screened regularly because yun nga, even in diabetic retinopathy, in earlier stages, you don't notice anything. So, we'd like to catch it as early as we can so we can treat it and stabilize your vision at that point na maganda pa siya.
Okay. Last question.
Yun nga po, Doc, speaking sa early stage po ng diabetes, ano nga po ulit yung stage talaga ng diabetes na yung diabetic retinopathy ay mapre-prevent natin o may stop?
Well, in all stages naman, you can do something to stop it, no? To stop it from getting worse, no? Kaya lang nga, it depends kung saan mo siya mahuli. Pag mahuli mo siya na mas maaga, you will have good vision. Pag mahuli mo siya ng mas late, kung ano yung vision mo doon, yun na lang yung makukuha mo.
Talagang importante, prevention.
And
Palagi.
screening, regular checkup. You know? So, Dr. Valero, any parting words for our audience and for our televiewers regarding this condition?
Well, I would really advise everyone to see their eye care professional, their eye doctors regularly for an eye checkup so that we can see if you have problems and we can address it early on.
Tapos, Doc, kung halimbawa na-diagnose na ninyo, di ba? At sinabi kailangan magsalamin, magsuot talaga ng
Yes.
salamin.
Kung may sinabi sa inyo yung doktor nyo na may kailangan gawin, may kailangan gamot, surgery, or any other things that we need to do, sundan nyo yung doktor. Sayang naman yung
And then to follow up.
To follow up. Huwag kayong mawawala.
Oo.
Hindi ka
Kailangan
nag-follow up,
ko
di ba?
mag-follow up.
Hindi
Kasi
ka
may
nag-follow
nakikita akong mga flash minsan eh.
So, you need to be seen.
Baka naman kasi kumikidlat lang tag-ulan eh.
Sabi mo nga, hinawakan mo.
Hindi, ito, Doc, yung shades. Di ba?
Well, yeah. Protection from the sun is always a good idea, no, whether your skin or your eyes, no. UV protection and even protection from visible wavelength ng ilaw.
Polarized yan.
You should, as much as possible, if you can wear shades, that would be a good idea.
Okay. Pero hindi pwede yung mga sobrang mumurahin na shades?
Well, the
Kasi-
problem there is
Kasi ano ba talaga? Meron ba diferensya yan? Yung
no,
mura sa mahal?
well, the only issue there is hindi mo alam kung talagang
May
yun
UV
nga,
protection.
May protection or whatever, no? Kaya hindi walang track record yung kumpanya na yon kung yung ginagawa ba nila is tama o hindi, no? But you know, anything to shield your eye from the sun is okay.
For the 3 diseases that you mentioned at
Yeah.
the start of the show, what are, well, your society of ophthalmologists are doing to curb down this problem of
Well, we're
vision
trying
loss?
we're trying to advocate nga na see your eye doctor, no?
Okay.
Kasi madaling ayusin kung maaga pa.
Mhm.
If it's late, kahit nga gaano kagaling yung doktor niyo, kahit gaano kalaki ang gastusin niyo, minsan hindi na namin nagagamot. So as IMDs or eye doctors, we always advise our patients to have regular screening and regular checkup.
Which is once a year.
At least once a year, no?
year.
If you're not feeling anything. Of course, if you're feeling something, wag mo nang antayin next year.
Kung nahihilo ka,
Baka maghintay ka pa for next year.
nahihilo ka, hindi mo na makita yung maka...
Sabi ni Doc, next year daw. So next year na lang.
Doc, yung computer. Pagko-computer
Oo nga.
tsaka TV, oo nga.
Well, yeah. Studies have shown that really a lot of yung near work, computer work, PSP, yung TV, it doesn't do any permanent damage to your eyes. It will give you eye strain, sasakit ang ulo mo, you know, magluluha ka, magda-dry yung mata mo. But the next day, you sleep it off, you'll be okay.
You
It
rest
doesn't
the
do
eyes.
any permanent damage, no? But of course, it's a different story if you're in front of the computer 16 hours a day, no? Parang
Oh, there are people like that.
well,
Their
yeah,
work is-
it's you have to take breaks in between. No? Parang for every 30 minutes siguro, just look away,
Okay.
blink, and put some lubricant drops. No?
Mm-hmm.
So, but in general, there's really no permanent damage that we can do to the eyes with, as far as we know at this point, no, by prolonged computer or TV use.
Pero hindi ko sasabihin sa mga anak ko yun.
Bakit?
And when they ask me kasi, what
Oo.
what do we tell kids na don't stay in the computer for too long? What happens kasi is their social development also is
Yeah.
altered. If you're in front of the computer the whole time, hindi lang mata ang nagkakaproblema, kundi, you know,
Other
your
things.
interaction with other people.
Basta sasabihin ko, that's bad for your eyes. Anyway, thank you so much,
Thank
Dr.
Dr. Valero
Valero,
now.
for
Okay.
sharing your
Thank you,
expertise with
Yes,
us. And
thank
thank
you.
you also to our audience and our viewers for making us part of your health regimen.
Yes, and for all those who emailed in their questions, thank you and keep them coming. We'll be answering those in our future episodes.
Join us again next week for another enlightening health topic.
Yes, we'll be talking about autism, which is a prevalent behavioral condition now. So if you have questions regarding this, please email them to us. I'm Dr. Oyi Balburias.
I'm Maricel Laksa Pangilinan, and remember, don't be afraid to ask because we can
Talk to Doc.
Your doctor has seen many different patients, but none exactly like you. You are unique. The more your doctor knows you, the better he can help. And the more you know about your condition, the better decisions you can make. So tell your story, ask questions, talk to doc.
Your health depends on you and me.
A message of concern from the Medical City.